All right, everybody, we're back at it. We're at principle number 2 of self-care. So we're going to be going over the emotional health system. I wrote it down once again to keep it short and succinct. The purpose of the system, the emotional health system, is to keep us in contact with our nature and or humanity. Meaning that anytime we stray away from our natural base, the emotional system will not like it. And it'll give strong feedback to try to bring us back to that thing. Anytime we do something that's destructive in nature, again, the emotional system is going to have a problem with it and try to bring us back to balance, if you will. Knowing this, the system is made up of the 3 elements of health, which, if we recap, is mental, physical, and emotional health. We're looking for the unity of these things. When these things are united, they create a synergy that brings forth the human environment of health. So, all 3 functioning well, we now walk into the human environment of health. This means that we're now looking at life from a way that always prioritizes health over all things. So if we're in a tough situation, we're trying to see how we can resolve it in a way that everybody's mental, physical, and emotional health is preserved at the end of this challenge. We're not trying to compromise just to make it easier for us or easier for them. We're trying to really root this thing in the middle. Now, that being said, we can see here that health is not particularly just the end action of this human environment of health. It is now we're able to explore this human environment of health and take health from it, right? So we're not just like, we're here, or we're healthy. That is not how it works. We are now here and we can perceive health. Therefore, it's easier for us to take it out of experience. And that's the idea. So if you're a carpenter and you look at a house, you're looking at it from a carpenter's perspective. It's easier for you to see those ins and outs and what should have been done more. They should have laid it back on. Same thing with art, same thing with athletics, same thing with work. When you become a specialist in this area per se, these things just pop out at you. The exact same way with the environment of health, the human environment of health. That being said, that is that. I'm not going to put any more into it, I promise. That is principle number 2 for self-care. Thank you.